Getting ready for your driving test? Or just want to sharpen your road knowledge? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going over 40 essential road signs every driver should know. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips. Let's dive in. What should a cyclist do when they see this sign? B. How should drivers interpret this sign? A. Straight through and right turn. What does this sign mean? B. Roundabout. Can you name this road sign? B. One way, left. How should drivers interpret this sign? Straight through and right turn. What kind of crossing is this? Dog sled crossing. What should cyclists do at this sign? Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. What type of animal crossing is this? B. Migratory toad crossing. Do you know which sign is the steep ascent sign? What surface condition does this sign warn about? B. Grooved pavement. What does this road sign indicate? A. Filter in turn sign. What regulation does this sign enforce? B. Pedestrians crossing. What road condition is ahead? Steep ascent. What does this sign indicate? Filter in turn sign. What surface warning does this sign give? Grooved pavement. What direction is shown by this sign? C. Right ahead. Where would you expect to see this sign? B. Elk area. Do you know which sign is the turn left sign? Do you know what this sign represents? B. No left turn for vehicular traffic. What does this symbol on the sign mean? C. Dangerous goods route. What restriction does this sign impose? Vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited. What movement is prohibited by this sign? No left turn for vehicular traffic. What does this sign represent? Dangerous goods route. What type of road feature does this sign warn about? B. Change of carriageway ahead. What safety message does this sign convey? Steep grade, hill. Can you guess the meaning of this sign? B. Snowmobile. Do you know which sign is the one-way, with arrow, right sign? What does this sign tell drivers? B. Chevron marker. Who is this route for? Snowmobile. Which way is traffic allowed? One way, with arrow, right. What does this sign tell drivers? Chevron marker. How should drivers react when they see this sign? B. Slow. Do you know which sign is the vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited sign? What kind of lane configuration does this sign indicate? B. Added left lane. What is the purpose of this sign? B. Yield ahead. What type of intersection does this sign show? C. Crossroad. What lane change is ahead? Added left lane, entering roadway. How should drivers react? Slow. What type of intersection is this? Crossroad. What warning does this sign give? B. Level crossing with gate ahead. Can you identify this road sign? Crossroads. What movement does this sign allow? B. All movements permitted. What should drivers do at this sign? A. Turn left or right. Do you know which sign is the U.S. bicycle route sign? What are the permitted directions at this junction? Turn left or right. Which type of intersection does this sign show? Crossroads. What hazard is up ahead? Level crossing with gate ahead. What kind of hazard is ahead? B. Flagger ahead. Symbol sign. Do you know which sign is the ridden or accompanied horse's prohibited sign? What does this road sign indicate? B. Two-way traffic. How should drivers interpret this sign? A. Straight through and left turn. Where must vehicles stay when seeing this sign? B. Keep left of obstacles. What kind of traffic pattern is ahead? Two-way traffic. What movement is allowed? Straight through and left turn. What kind of roadwork sign is this? Flagger ahead, symbol sign. What restriction does this sign impose? C. No entry for vehicular traffic. What lane change does this sign suggest? B. Single lane transition. Do you know which sign is the axle weight limit in tonnes sign? What regulation does this sign enforce? B. Beginning of no parking. Who is allowed where this sign is posted? C. Equestrians permitted. What regulation starts here? Beginning of no parking. What lane change occurs here? Single lane transition. Who is permitted beyond this point? Equestrians permitted. And that's a wrap on our 40 essential road signs. We hope this video helped boost your confidence on the road. If you found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips.